Take out a beige color pipe cleaner. Bend it into half. Measure out 6 centimeters and twist twice. Bend down both ends of the pipe cleaner. Tie the end. Adjust the petal. The little petals are ready. Make 3 small petals. Now let's make the big petals. Connect 2 beige pipe cleaners. Fold it into half. Measure out 6.5 centimeters and twist twice. Make it the same way we make little petals. Make 3 big petals. Tie 6 artificial stamens with the pipe cleaner. Secure the stamens with hot glue. Color with eyeshadow. Paste 3 small petals in turn. Color the petals with eyeshadow. Now paste the 3 large petals one by one. Paste it between the gaps. Color it with eyeshadow. Wrap with floral tape. Now let's make the flower bud. Take out 3 pipe cleaners. Fold it in half and pull one of them through the middle. Twist twice and then arrange the pipe cleaners. Measure at 4.5 centimeters. Use one of the pipe cleaner to tighten the others, then bend all the pipe cleaners down. Arrange the pipe cleaners and then tighten it. Color it with eyeshadow. Wrap with floral tape. Here's a flower bud. Now take out 4 green pipe cleaners. Let's make the green buds. Make it the same way. Measure and tighten at 4.5 centimeters. Makes 4. Take out 2 10-centimeter pipe cleaners. Let's make a smaller buds. Just make it the same way. Measure and tighten at 3 centimeters. Makes 2. Now we make the bud stem. Take out 3 pipe cleaners. Wrap the 3 pipe cleaners in floral tape. Now let's start assembling the buds and flowers. Just assemble it the way I did in this video. Assemble one bud every 2 centimeters. Put in a floral stem wire after we assemble the buds. Continue to assembling the flowers. You can assemble the flowers any way you like. Cut off any excess flower stem stick. Arrange the flowers in buds. Bend out of the natural form. So now you have a beautiful freesia. Thank you for watching. What kind of flower would you like to make next? Feel free to leave a comment below.